I think the future of American manufacturing is much more dependent on a strong, diversified supplier base. IMTS is a Super Bowl of manufacturing, and this year, over 90,000 people showed up hungry for technology to automate and drive their businesses forward. The industry is booming. Manufacturers are investing in a big way, and it's a clear sign that change is happening fast. Acquisitions are on the rise, which is both a threat and an opportunity for shops. Either way, it's fueling a new wave of innovation, with people moving faster and getting better than ever before. For us, the biggest difference this year versus IMTS 2 years ago is how far the product has come and how integrated we are into the broader tech landscape. We have partnerships with so many leading companies that are powering the manufacturing industry and are really passionate about improving how shops operate. I loved watching our team engage with customers. Every time we attend an event like this, people are always saying what makes Paperless Parts truly special is our team. It's how we invest in our customers, how hard we work to make their feedback come to life in the product, and how we move mountains whenever we're called on to do so.